हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू जट्ठा क्लासेस। तो मार्क्स की थ्योरी की जो हमने ग्रोथ की थ्योरी की थी उसका थ्योरी पार्ट हमने लास्ट वीडियो में किया था। अब हम एमसीक्यू पार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ मार्क्स थ्योरी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ? आंसर इज बी, कैपिटल accumulation. According to Marx, the mode of production is determined by which of the following? Answer is B, social classes. What does Marx identify as the driving force behind the historical development? Answer is B, class struggle. In the Marx theory, what is the term for surplus value created by labor? Surplus value की term क्या है? Profit. Answer is A. Marx believed that the capitalism would ultimately lead to which of the following outcomes? Answer is C, classless society. Which of the following concept is central to the Marx critique of capitalism? Answer is B, alienation of labor. What is the means of production according to the Marx? Answer is A, land and capital. Marx proposed that capitalism would eventually be replaced by which system? Socialism. Answer is B. In the Marx view, what is the relationship between the bourgeois and proletariat? Answer is C, exploitative. What does Marx mean by the term historical materialism? Answer is B, economic factors drive historical change. What did Marx mean by surplus value? Answer is B, the extra value produced by labor beyond what is paid in wages. In Marx framework, which class is considered the ruling class? Answer is C, bourgeois. Which stage of economic development does Marx argue comes after capitalism? Answer is A, communism. What role does technology play in the Marx theory of economic growth? Answer is C, it helps the accumulation of capital. According to Marx, how does capitalism lead to crisis? Answer is A, overproduction and underconsumption. What does Marx mean by inevitability of revolution? Answer is B, class antagonism will eventually lead to proletarian uprising. In Marx's view, what is the impact of capitalism on workers? Answer is C, alienation and exploitation. Which work by Marx outlined his theory on political economy? Answer is B, Das Kapital. How does Marx view the state in relation to class struggle? Answer is B, as a tool of ruling class. What does Marx mean by term false consciousness? Answer is A, the belief that workers can achieve success in capitalism. Marx's concept of historical materialism emphasized the importance of which of the following? Answer is B, material conditions and economic factors. What is the labor theory of value as proposed by Marx? Answer is B, the value of goods is determined by the labor required to produce it. Marx argues that as capital accumulated leads to concentration of wealth. Which group does Marx consider working class? Answer is B, proletariat. What is the term Marx used to describe the economic system that exploit labor for profit? Capitalism. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.